Hey Jonathan, how's it going? It's Eric with Whittier SEO. Just wanted to shoot this quick video just to go over some strategies and things we can implement to um, improve your website's performance online and just get you better results Google-wise and any search engine um, results-wise. So anyway, I want to make this video pretty short and simple just to quickly outline some of those things, and one of them being the content. Content in Google's eyes is extremely important to get you ranked. Generally, they want to see about 1,500 words on the first page alone, and then we could scale down to about 1,000 per service page. So if we just look at your home page, we see that it's pretty much less than 200 words, and just taking a quick look, I don't see certain keywords that pop up for your industry. So wood fence repair services, wood fence Bloomington, fence services or Ontario, things of that nature. And let me show you what I mean. So if we go back into a website which we use to run the numbers and just see your website's performance online, um, this is what comes up. And what we see here is that there's only one domain where you derive power from, um, which is a citation, and there's no real online presence as far as the internet is concerned. So we don't have organic keywords. So there's no keywords that when people search for your services, you will be the website that they find first in Google and other search engines. So let me show you an example of one of your competitors. This is iefence.com. So we go back. Sorry about that. iefence.com. Get rid of the home. Search. So this is one of the websites that I found that comes up right away in your area. And if we just take a quick glance, we see that they don't have eye-popping numbers. Their backlinks are not out of this world. They only have 11 websites, giving them back power. And a backlink, let me just introduce that for a second. Backlink is any um, word, website, any anchor text, anything that's on another website that links back to your website. And this is power because that just shows you the influence that you have. And so if another website is giving you that power, it just means that your website is relevant for that given service. So that is what it is in a nutshell. And now we look at their keywords, whereas yours was zero. They have 87 keywords. Now let's take a quick look. Inland fence. So whenever somebody doesn't put the whole inland empire, they just put inland fence. That happens 80 times out of the month, and as you can see, that's pretty important. So if people just put that, there's 80 people willing to look up that on any given month, and these guys are being found, and that just shows you an opportunity. The same thing with Empire Fence, Steel and Wood Gate, although it's not specifically targeting your area. Fence Gate Contractors, Security Fence Ontario, Orange County Gates. So these are all great words that you would want to be found for. If you did get found, and if you just received some of that volume, obviously you could see the results that would garner your business. Um, and so that's a one example. But let me here show you another one that's a little more pronounced, and they just have amazing results. This is Valley City Fence. So it just seems that they've been around for quite a while. They've obviously realized the importance of targeting certain keywords, and now they're just all over the place. They have great online presence. They have 434 backlinks going back to their website, 62 websites. They have 609 keywords. So out of those other 70 or 60 or 70 and change, These guys have 609, and because of that, organically they're receiving about 207 people every month just going to their website. So as you can see, these guys will never, pretty much never go out of business. And if they wanted to expand, obviously they would be able to, at no, with no hardships about that, just because they've already established themselves. So. So that's two. So we've discussed the content and the backlinks. As soon as just going through your website, we I was able to see the things that we can quickly shift in order for us to get your website up there with these guys and ranking. And the last thing I'll discuss is citations. So citations is whenever you input your business name, the services that you offer, the area that you cover, your address, and your phone. So this is you right here. Well, as soon as we input your information, four citations came up. Citations are extremely important in the ranking world. You definitely want to have more or at least the same as your other competitors. This will let Google know and all the other search engines that, yeah, I mean, you're everywhere. Your services are being offered and you're present and you're active and you're doing it. So and you're getting your word around, and that's music to Google's ears. So right off the bat, we would be able to increase that exponentially to also get you those results. So yeah, man, I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I think that one thing that's really awesome about your website is that right away people know what it is that they're getting. And obviously you have these testimonials up down here. If we could just make if we could just put a little more testimonials, that would be awesome as well. But yeah, I mean, let's chat. Let's discuss some things. Hopefully this video helps you in some way. And yeah, look forward to talking to you. Have a great day.